Hey guys, how's it going? How to tag people on Instagram posts. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram. And what you're gonna do here, you're gonna just go ahead. You're gonna just go ahead and click on the plus button right here. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and select the post that you want to actually share. Let's say, for example, that one, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click next, and then hit next at the bottom right. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able right here to see tag people. You're gonna be able to tag people right here. Just click anywhere and then add the name of that person that you want to actually tag into your post, and then basically let's say for example that one, hit done at the top right, and then basically hit share. If you want to add a poll or a caption, just go ahead and add it in your own time. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.